You know that feeling when your organization's data is just all over the place? Well, today we're going to talk about Microsoft OneLake. It's a concept that's trying to do for your complex enterprise data what OneDrive did for our files. Basically, bring it all together and make life a whole lot simpler.
So here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll look at the all-too-common problem of data silos. Then, we'll introduce OneLake and its whole OneDrive for data idea. After that, we'll break down the key benefits, and we'll wrap up with why this whole shift really matters for you.
Okay, let's dive right in. And look, to really get why this solution is so cool, we've got to understand the problem first. And when it comes to data in a big organization, that problem is almost always fragmentation.
Okay, so picture this, the old way. You've got sales, marketing, finance, right? And they all go and build their own separate data lakes. This means data is constantly being copied, moved around, duplicated. It's not just messy, it makes working together a total nightmare. And you're never really sure which version of the data is the right one. The OneLake way just flips this whole thing on its head by creating one single unified data lake for everyone.
All right, so how exactly does OneLake tackle all that chaos? Well, it all starts with one really simple foundational concept.
And this is it, OneLake. It's a single, unified, and this is the key word here, logical data lake for your entire organization. That word logical is important. It acts as one central hub for all your data. And the best part? It's just there. It's automatically included with Microsoft Fabric, so there's no crazy setup required to get going.
Honestly, the best way to wrap your head around this is that simple little phrase. We all get how OneDrive works for our documents, right? It's one place, it's easy to get to, easy to share. OneLake is aiming to bring that exact same simplicity to the much more complex world of organizational data.
Now this is super important. OneLake isn't some brand new thing they built from the ground up. It's built directly on top of Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, which is Microsoft's proven, rock-solid foundation for big data. So it's got all that security, performance, and reliability baked right in from day one.
Okay, so we've got OneLake. It's built on a solid foundation, but what does that actually mean for you day to day? Let's break down the key benefits.
It really boils down to four main benefits that tackle those exact problems we talked about earlier. It unifies your data, it helps you collaborate better, it connects with the tools you're already using, and it makes finding your data way easier. Let's dig into each one.
First up, and this is probably the biggest one, is that it unifies everything. It provides that single, collaborative solution, making sure everyone in the organization is sharing and working from one central data lake. No more silos, no more confusion.
Next up, collaboration. Now, just because it's OneLake doesn't mean it's a total free-for-all. OneLake uses something called workspaces. This lets different teams, like marketing or sales, own and manage their own little corner of the data, kind of like their own folder, but it's all within the same unified system. You get this perfect balance of letting teams do their thing while still having that central governance. Third, it plays nice with others. It's all about connection. Because it's built on open standards and stores data in this super efficient format called Delta Parquet, it's compatible with the tools and applications you already use. There's no need to throw everything out and start from scratch.
And last but not least, and this might be my favorite part, is just how easy it is to explore the data. Getting to all this powerful, organized information becomes incredibly simple. You don't have to be some data guru to find what you need.
I mean, look at this. This is how simple it gets. OneLake can be navigated right from your regular Windows File Explorer. It literally just looks and feels like another drive on your computer, with folders for each workspace, like sales and marketing, and the data files sitting right there inside. This just demolishes a huge barrier for people who need to actually find and use the data. Okay, so let's pull back for a second and look at the big picture here. Why is this move toward a unified data lake such a big deal? Really, it all comes down to this one huge concept, creating a single source of truth for your data.
Because when everybody, from your data scientists to your business analysts, is pulling from the exact same playbook, the insights you get are just so much more reliable, so much more powerful. And since the data isn't being moved or copied, you can run all sorts of different tools on it at the same time. Imagine one team running a Power BI report while another runs a complex machine learning model, both pointing to the exact same file in OneLake. That is a massive win for efficiency and data integrity.
So at the end of the day, this isn't just about cleaning up your tech stack, it's about changing what's even possible. It opens up brand new avenues for discovery. So I'll just leave you with this final thought.
If all of your organization's data truly lived in one single place, what profound questions could you finally answer?